established to make life easier. We installed the first children's airplane library in the world. Until 2018, we have had installed 7 museums, 50 libraries, and nearly 1,000 preschools. Also, we continue to install thematic preschools. We redesign and recreate the libraries by using totally different conceptuality. We set up museums in different categories with different themes. We give personality to spaces with installation of our own production hardware according to need. We use 3-dimensional modeling in our design, and the design is produced in our own factory. We set up our products into a particular place and display them. With Pediko, it is very easy to make your dreams come true. Libraries, the temples of knowledge, have to be special. Pediko installs outstanding libraries. We design a pleasant atmosphere for those who visit the libraries. Installing or renewing libraries is not a problem anymore. Benefiting from Pediko is easy. Just decide on the physical setting, target readers, and library model. The rest is our task. Within a short time, Pediko will present you a comprehensive project with a unique concept and will be ready to realize the distinctive library you need. Pediko installs impressive libraries. Museums are the bridges that connect the present to the past. Pediko goes beyond the classical museum designs and creates a difference. We think of thematic museums, make the designs and produce the hardware. You just choose the physical setting and decide on the target group. Pediko produces dreams. A good kindergarten has 2 major characteristics. One is the physical setting, and the other is the teaching staff. Pediko can set up a preschool, organize the education staff, and plan their in-service training program. It has the capacity, knowledge, and experience to organize the preschooling of a region or even the preschooling of the country. Pediko is ready to prepare and present you a comprehensive project with such an original concept that will make the project a unique one. By no time, the hardware will be produced and the installation will be completed. Pediko creates efficient learning environments.